Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Flutter effect to overlay only in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select one images to the right, and I'm just going to add the overlay. So just put on top the clip, and I'm going to remove the background. Just click auto cutout. Right, going to resize. And I'm going to add the flutter effect, so just click away and select nightclub, and you can find the flutter effect. Just download it, but it is pro effect. You can join proppers to be able to use this effect, so just click on add icon, and just for the duration and the same line with the video. Alright, so you can see, but I want to add this effect just for the overlay only, not for the background. So how to just click on the overlay, just click overlay and effect. So select the overlay and effect, and then right click, and you can select create component clip. So this is the final effect. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.